Autopilot right now. It is July 21st, 2013. Anthony Nicholas is 2.5 years old and he is sitting in his own big seat on the airplane. Is that fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
You like that? Who's flying on the airplane with you today?
Daddy, Mommy, you.
That's right. Oh, this is fun. Where are we going?
Where are we going?
Flying.
We're flying.
Mommy.
Yeah. Not yet. Where are we going to? Where are we flying to?
To the airport.
To the airport. Who are we going to see? Who are we going to go see?
Are we flying?
Not yet. Are we going to Minnesota? Yeah.
Are we flying?
Not yet. There's Daddy. Oh, there's Daddy. Oh, the Daddy. And here's Mommy, I think. Was it? And where's... Oh, now I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, there you are. We're not flying yet.
Are we still on the ground?
We're still on the ground. Yeah, it's kind of a rainy day. There we go.
Good afternoon. Thanks again for your patience at the gate. Looks like we're number 1 for departure. Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin.
Oh, we're getting prepared to take off. Can you say 3, 2, 1, take off?
1, 2, 3.
That's right. Good job.
I'm taking off.
Pretty soon. Pretty soon.
For all you kiddos out there, make sure your seatbelts are nice and tight. We are ready for blast off.
Oh, we're ready for blast off. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, this is fun.
Oh, okay. You're such a good traveler.
Yeah.
Yeah, you are.
Do you like sitting in your own big seat?
Octopus don't have ears.
Octopus don't have ears. You're right.
The Dumbo octopus has ears.
Right. The Dumbo octopus has ears.
Sitting all the way behind.
Oh. Okay. Can you say bye-bye? We'll see you in Minnesota.
Bye-bye. See you in Minnesota.
Okay. Love you.
Are you going to Minnesota?
We're going to Minnesota.
Is it Monday?
It is Sunday.
It's Sunday.
It's Sunday. We're going to Minnesota on Sunday. Okay. Say love you.
Love you.